So according to Hogan and Smart, the goal of reading is comprehension, making meaning of the text. So what does the research say about comprehension? According to the Texas Educational Agency, comprehension strategy instruction is best broken down into a three-part framework: questioning before reading, during, and after. Research also encourages teaching decoding skills, vocabulary, and word knowledge to help improve student comprehension. So what does that look like in the classroom? Choose a book to read to students, and we're going to spread the questions from before the reading, during, and after. So before the reading, that looks like, can somebody raise their hands and tell me what you go to the zoo and see, or what do you see at the zoo? A question like that, just to get the students thinking about whatever the topic is beforehand. And as you read each page, have one question about the character or characters introduced so far and how they feel. So the questions shouldn't be questions that may have kids feel like it's a quiz. So like, oh, how do you think so and so feels right now? So a question where they're excited to answer, like there's an understanding there, and just kind of keeping them on track as well. After every 2 pages, ask your students what they know so far in the story, and end with a question about a summary of the book. So who can tell me what this book is about? And just a question like that. So that's an example of that 3-part framework right there, an activity you can do in a class read, or during a class read, rather. Okay, so assessments. According to Hogan and Smart, the best way for teachers to determine where students are struggling so they can receive additional targeted instruction is by using and administering short assessments frequently. So curriculum-based assessments are possible assessments. So depending on your district, you may have one that your district does in the fall, the winter, and the spring. From my district, we do have something we call a DPN. Standardized assessments are also options. The TAKS test is an example. DIBELS, informal assessments such as questioning done during reading. So the comprehension activity example of questioning before, during, and after reading, that's an example of an informal assessment. So during that instruction, you can see what your kids understand and what they don't, and from there, adjust. Okay, thank you so much. A lot of the resources today were from Reading Rockets and the activity examples. This is a great resource for teachers and activities or questions that you may have about ways to implement things in your classroom. So a lot of my information is from Reading Rockets, as well as the Fundamentals of Literacy Instruction and Assessment, Pre-K through 6 by Hogan and Smart. This is where I found the 5 components and also the definitions of the 5 components. Thank you for your time today. I hope this was a good session.